welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kswap Pip. We're at Sam's second drift event. My hair looks a bit of a state because it is so cold and windy out there, so expect more of this beautiful look today. Hopefully we don't have no broken, blown up engines, because I don't want to get towed back today. I just want it to be grey and fine. There aren't as many people here this time, which is quite nice, because then hopefully Sam will get a little bit more time drifting if he doesn't blow his car up. It's so windy outside. It's time for the first drift of the day. It's different, so we have to do a lot more left, so let's see how it goes.
1, 2, 8.
I'm scared. Go. There's a GoPro on.
Can't see a fucking thing. These window wipers are so shit.
I know.
These tyres are so much grippier than the others.
Yeah, it felt a bit more like jerky compared to last time.
Because some part of the track's grippy and some parts not.
Yeah. GoPro. What the? Fuck, you got so close to that thing over there. I shit
Yeah, the back
myself.
end.
Oh my god. I was like, please no, please no.
I'll check the car over.
Oh fuck. It was so sick though. But I was shitting myself. In the video, all you can hear is me just screaming. Oh, the embarrassment. Anyway, we just come off. Sam wanted to shit me up. I never get scared when Sam drifts, but on this occasion I actually got fucking scared. There's like a concrete block on like the second corner-ish, second-ish. Like, it's like halfway through the corner. He fucking shit me up. It was like getting really, really close. I'm struggling to film because I like to film on my own and he won't leave me alone. Oh my god. Someone save me. But yeah, so on the second corner, so there's like a left, then a right, then a left. Yeah. On the second corner, Sam fucking gets ever so close to this concrete block every time, and it just felt we were getting closer and closer and closer, and oh my goodness, there's probably in the footage, I don't really want to watch back, but I'm gonna have to put it in this video. It's probably me just screaming the whole time. So, oh, how embarrassing. But I think it's a lot different for him because he's used to going right, left isn't really what he's used to, because if you think if we practice on like a roundabout or something, not that we practice on a roundabout ever, that you would go this way and not that way. Also, I just realised, well, I knew this from a long time ago, but I'm really sorry, I'm not very good at telling you left and right. So when I say to you, it was a left turn or a right turn, and I point the other direction, please ignore that. I am just useless at lefts and rights. Also, make sure to give this guy a follow. Super lovely. The drift community seems to be super nice. All sort of like the car groups, so like modified cars, different cars like Hondas and this, that and the other. Like the drift world everyone seems to be a lot more supportive. So the guy next to us just said, oh, if you need anything, just borrow it from my toolbox and give it back. I think that's so lovely how everyone's so supportive. There's no like competitive, well there is in sort of, but it's more about a learning experience, which I think is really lovely, that everyone is sort of just getting on together and just supportive. I really, really do like that in a sport. Hopefully it starts to warm up as well. It did start raining a little bit earlier, which fair enough, we're at a wet drift day, wet event, but I don't want to get rained upon when watching. And the wind was horrible as well, but now the sun started to come out and the wind's died down a little bit. It'll be a lot nicer to watch the rest of the cars going out. Also, I'm having to remind Sam to keep turning his GoPro on every time because he keeps forgetting to go back out. This is like straight out. GoPro. hopefully they wet it soon because it's getting a bit too grippy.
Huh? Yeah, I was just really hot. I'll go one more time. Look at that. That bottom corner's so slippery. I'm trying to get it right. Trying to get rid of me floppy hands. Huh? My head. Oh, we're on.
Look at me, Seth. Hey!
I just ripped all my hair out. That's fine.
Sam, show me your hands.
It's not actually that bad to me. Oh, yeah, it is.
The adrenaline from that. Yeah, show the gloves.
That's why I put them on.
So dirty. Oh, well done.
Well done.
Well done.
That's a good doggy.
So Sam washed this last night. Doesn't look that way at all.
Literally just buttoned them up a little bit.
There we go. That's how friggin' dirty it is now. But there we go. I guess that's what you get from a fucking wet drift day. Can you do some clicking in the tyres? Doing well, doing well?
Winning.
Winning indeed.
Depends on